Are you looking to enhance the freshness and longevity of your favorite foods while reducing waste and saving money? Look no further than canning your own food. Canning offers a plethora of benefits that extend beyond just preserving your fruits, vegetables, and even meats. Let's dive into why you should consider this timeless practice and how you can get started. First and foremost, canning allows you to control what goes into your food. You can avoid harmful preservatives and additives commonly found in store-bought canned goods, ensuring a healthier and more wholesome diet for you and your family. Plus, by using fresh, locally sourced ingredients, you can savor the true taste of each season's bounty all year round. Moreover, canning is an eco-friendly choice. By reducing food waste and minimizing packaging, you're contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Say goodbye to single-use containers, and hello to reusable jars filled with homemade goodness. Additionally, canning saves you money in the long run. Buying produce in bulk when it's in season and canning it for later means you can enjoy your favorite foods at a fraction of the cost. Plus, homemade canned goods make for thoughtful and economical gifts for friends and loved ones. Ready to start canning? Websites like Ball-registered trademark canning, www.freshpreserving.com, and Lehman's, www.lehmans.com, offer a wide range of canning supplies, from jars and lids to canners and accessories. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these resources have everything you need to embark on your canning journey. In conclusion, canning your own food is a rewarding and practical way to enjoy fresh, flavorful meals while reducing waste and saving money. Embrace the tradition of preserving food and reap the countless benefits it has to offer. Happy canning!